Hey guys, it's your girl Jalen Amir, and I'm here with the wig install. This wig is a 16-inch curly wig from Ali Pearl, and this will be my third time putting this on. I'm using Bold Hold lace glue, the purple bottle, and as you can see, I'm putting the lace onto the glue as the glue turns clear. So here I am applying the glue along my hairline. Oh, okay. So a little bit too much came out right there. I'm taking my comb. I'm going to make sure I smooth out the glue to try to make it as even as I can so that it'll dry evenly. And yeah. Now I'm taking my handy dandy blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry my glue on my head for however long it takes, and I'm just blow drying on low heat because why would you want hot air just blowing in your face? So I'm just using cool heat. And right here, you're gonna see me put down the lace. Even though my glue is not all the way clear, I just was getting tired of blow drying it, so yeah. Now I'm gonna take my comb and you're gonna push it down into the lace, and you're gonna comb back any hairs that probably could have gotten stuck in the glue. You're just gonna pull that back with the comb, as y'all see me doing right here. Here I just went back to a little section that wasn't fully glued down, and I'm just going ahead and taking a little bit of glue. I don't know why I'm fanning it when I have a blow dryer. Like, sis, you have a blow dryer. What are you doing? But here I am pulling back the hair, pulling it up. I'm gonna take my Eben Wonderlace in the red bottle, or in the red can, and I'm just gonna spray that all over the lace as well. After that, I'm gonna take my blow dryer and make sure all of that is dried. I keep licking my lips, but yeah, I put on some chapstick. I don't know why I was doing that, but the problem is solved. Anyways, still blow drying. And here I am trying to put some makeup on it, even though I don't know, like, I'm not really into makeup like that, so I don't really know what shades to put, but here I am just winging it. I'm just taking my scarf, and you just want to make sure you tie your scarf really tight. I lost my elastic bands that I was using before, but yeah, you want to make sure that thing is tight so it can like melt or whatever. I'm fresh out of the shower, let that thing sit on there for a little bit. I'm gonna take it off, and we gonna get to styling it. Here I'm trying to do my edges, and when I tell you this is so hard for me to do, I'm here struggling. My face just, it says it all. It says it all. I'm just gonna do the other side and the next off camera. I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and I'm gonna section my hair down the middle, and I'm gonna work on half of a section and section that off into like 3 sections, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Spray with water and brush the hair. Now I'm going to take my Shea's Balm hair wax stick and place it all over the front perimeter and around the crown. Then I'm going to take this pink little hot comb I got off Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead and hot comb the hair to my liking, which is normally just flat, okay? I'm taking my pattern leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to put that throughout the hair. Make sure the curls are nice and moisturized. Then I will brush through it and scrunch. So you just want to brush and scrunch. That's what I'm doing. Here I am with this hot comb again, because obviously it did not meet my expectations. So here I am trying to fix it up the way I want it to be. Yeah, this is basically the finished look, as you guys will see here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little install. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.